Hi, second graders, it's Ms. Jamenko. Today is day 3 of the math routine on equivalence. So to remind you, equivalence means equal. All right? So let's remind ourselves of our I can statement. I can make a number in different ways to show the same value. Okay? So let's get started with day 3 of our math routine, equivalence. All right, so here we have 132 in standard form. Our number is in standard form, 132. Is that equal to what we see in our picture with our hundreds, tens, and ones blocks? Is this equivalent to each other? Is it equal? I'll give you a few seconds to figure it out. If it is equal, it's true. If it is not equal, it is false. Ten seconds. 3, 2, 1. What do you think? Is 132 in standard form equal to what we see in our picture? Is it true or false? Is it equal or not equal? I heard a lot of you say it was not equal. Let's prove it. All right, so let's make our hundreds, tens, and ones table. All right, how many hundreds do we see? Good, 1. How many tens do we see? 4. And how many ones do we see? 1, 2, 2. So, for my picture, looking at our hundreds, tens, and ones blocks, we got the number 142. So is 132 equal to 142? No, it is not equivalent. It is not equal. Thumbs up if you got that. Very good. All right, let's see what we have next. All right, now we have in standard form 230. Is 230 equal to what we see with our hundreds, tens, and ones block? Give you a few seconds. Is it equal? Is it equivalent to each other? Once you have an answer, put a thumbs up. All right, 3, 2, 1. Shout out if you think it's equal, equivalent, equal to each other. Yes or no, true or false. I hear a lot of you saying it's equal. Well, let's check ourselves, right? Hundreds, tens, and ones. How many hundreds do we have? 1, 2, 2, right? How many tens do we have? 1, 2, 3. How many ones? We have 1. All right, this is why we have to check ourselves. With our hundreds, tens, and ones blocks, we made the number 231. Is that equal to 230? No, it is not, right? So this is not equal. 230 is not equal to 231. Right, I heard some of you say, yes, it was equal. I heard some of you say, no, it is not equal. It is not equal. 230 does not equal 231. All right? All right. Let's look at our next number. You guys ready? All right, now I don't have any picture support. All right, you're going to have to really use your brains. All right? I have the number 182. Is that equal to 100, 7 tens, 2 ones? Try and picture it in your head. Try and picture the hundreds blocks, tens blocks, and ones blocks in your head. 10 more seconds. 3, 2, 1. All right, what do you guys think? Do you think 182 is equal to 100, 7 tens, and 2 ones? Is this true or false? All right, I heard a lot of you say it is false, it is not true. All right, let's prove ourselves. All right, Mr. Manko is going to make the pictures. Here's my table. Okay, how many hundreds do we have? 1. All right. How many tens? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. And how many ones? 2. So what number does this show? 172. Good. So is 182 equal to 172? No, it is not. This is not equivalent. Thumbs up if you got that. Awesome. Thumbs up if you did it without drawing pictures. Impressive. Very good. Let's continue. Ooh, now I have the number in standard form 223. Is 223 equal to 22 tens and 3 ones? Is this equivalent? Give you a few seconds. Is 223 equal to 22 tens and 3 ones? Yeah, really think about this one. Is it equal or not equal? Few more seconds. Three, 2, 1. Shout out your answer. Do you think this is equal or not equal? Okay, I heard a lot of different things. Let's draw a picture to check ourselves. Let's prove it. Okay, so do I have any hundreds here? No, I only have tens and ones. Make my tens and my ones. Okay, how many tens do we have? Yeah, 22. All right, Mr. Manko is gonna make 22 tens. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. There are my 22 tens. Okay, I'll make my 3 ones. Okay, I have a lot of tens, right? So if I skip count by 10, let's try it together. All right, let's look at our tens and skip count by 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Ooh, Mr. Manko has 10 tens. That equaled 100, right? Yeah, if I have 10 tens, that equals 100. Do I see another set of 10 tens? Yeah, right under it. Mr. Manko has another 10 tens here. If I have 10 tens, we know that equals another 100. Okay, so that would make how many hundreds then? I have 2 hundreds, right? So if I have 2 hundreds, how many tens do we have left? 2, right? And then how many ones do we have? 3. So is 223 equal to 22 tens and 3 ones? Yes, it is. This is equal. All right, remember, I'm able to make 100 with 10 tens. And I have 20 tens here, which gives me 200. All right, so 223 does equal 22 tens and 3 ones. Thumbs up if you got that. Yeah, there's a lot of thinking for this problem. We had to know that if we have 10 tens, that equals 100. So here we had 22 tens, right? I was able to group them into 2 groups of 10 to make 200, right? So 223 does equal 22 tens and 3 ones. Awesome job. All right. Let's continue. Ready? All right. Now we have 312 in standard form. 312, does that equal 312 ones? Give you a few seconds to think about it. I have 312. Does that equal 312 ones? $20 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Shout out your answer. Is it true or false? Is it equal or not equal? I hear a lot of you saying equal. Okay, let's prove ourselves. All right. I'm going to make my hundreds, tens, and ones table. Okay. How many hundreds does it say? Yeah, 300s. So I'll make 300s box, which equals 3, right? How many tens do I have? None, right? But how many ones do I have? 12. Okay, let's make the 12 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. I have a lot of ones. I know a lot of you are thinking, wait, I have 10 ones. If I have 10 ones, doesn't that equal 110? Yeah, it does. So let's count out 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here's 10 ones. I'm gonna make a 10 rod. Okay, now I brought that over to my tens. So now how many tens do I have? 1. Very good. And now how many ones am I left with? 1, 2, 2. Awesome. So does 312 equal 312 ones? Yes, it does. So this problem is equal to each other. All right. Awesome job today on day 3 of our math routines of equivalence. We'll see you next week. Bye.